I'm John from ASA Products. We're in the south of Joburg. So we've been in the industry for almost 30 years now. We run 24-hour production setup. And last year, as we all remember, all the load shedding we had up until stage 6 was horrendous. Especially for our business, we run big machinery and extruders and hammer mills. We can't afford to have downtime. And we were looking at different alternative energy sources. And it just so happened to be that we got in touch with Igoli Gas and the right people to get a gas engine on site. So fast track, basically a year and a half, and we are completely off grid, island mode as they say. And we're running on gas flawlessly without issues 24 hours a day. From Igoli's side, what we needed was obviously a steady supply of gas. So we got going with that, and they installed a pipeline for us from the closest connection point. So we have a dedicated pipeline running to our premise, and that was done in April or May last year. So as it stands, we've been off grid now fully since May this year. Our engine came from the States. It's a Waukesha engine, can produce up to 660 kilowatts. So we're running at around 65% of that, 24 hours. Got the first engine on site. We have ordered a second engine as well, just to be a direct backup for each other. Meaning, as a result, power outages is no more an issue for our business, which for us is a big bonus. Now, first of all, not just from a manufacturing point of view, but also running island mode off-grid solved most of our problems. Any dips in electricity and our machine starts switching off, it's chaotic at best of times. So now we don't have that anymore. So we are looking at the outlet, the heat uptake, but currently as it stands, we're running roughly about 40% cheaper, and so that alone is a big enough saving for us. Cost is one thing, but the uninterrupted supply is the biggest factor for us. Servicing is really not a big issue for these machines. They only get serviced on set intervals, and they're quite far apart. It's not like your ordinary diesel engines. To give you an idea, our oil changes are only at 1,500 hours. The only negative thing is the capex investment. These engines are not cheap. After that, running cost is cheap, gas is cheap. The service that we get from Igoli is second to none. Best service that we've had in a third world country by a long shot.